Well, good news, everyone! Today we're going to explore this little free campground called Dam Campground. It is located in Ottawa National Forest near Watersmeet, Michigan, just off Forest Service Road 4500. It is right on the middle branch Ontonagon River, and you can access Mex-i-min-e Falls from the campground. Stay tuned to the end of the video for a short clip with the falls and the sounds. The campground is prone to flooding, and according to another camper, it will flood during the spring. There are 5 sites at this campground. Each site has its own picnic table and fire ring. In a pinch, you can also use the day use area to camp. The campground also has extra parking for anglers and pit toilets. The area was really clean and nicely maintained. Down the road, there is access to State Line Trail, which was formerly the Chicago Northwestern Railroad. There is no cell service at the campground, but during my hikes around the area, I did have sporadic cell service. The campground is also located near Bond Falls State Park, which has an amazing waterfall. Also nearby, you can explore the mysteries of the Paulding Light. A little history about Burnt Dam. From about 1892 to 1895, a dam was located at Mex-i-min-e Falls to impound water for log drives on the middle branch of the Ontonagon River. Logs from upstream were piled on the banks during the winter months, and during the spring floods they were floated to the pond and held by chains, anchored to rock cribs. They say one of the anchors is still visible across the stream above the falls, but I could not locate it. When the drive was ready to start, the chains were dropped, the dam was open, and the logs in the water went out in a rush. White pine, red pine logs were driven to the town of Interior, which was located about 6 miles downstream. In 1892, R.G. Peters and Finley Morrison built a sawmill there. It was a 3-band mill and cut 100,000 board feet of pine per shift. The timber was cut out from 1895 to 1896. The planing mill continued to operate for about 2 years longer. The town and dam were destroyed by a forest fire, which burned across the area in the year 1900. Ottawa National Forest is located in the western Upper Peninsula of Michigan. The forest extends from the south shore of Lake Superior to the border of Wisconsin. The area is rich in wildlife viewing opportunities, breathtaking views of rolling hills dotted with lakes, rivers, and waterfalls. The spectacular fall colors. I stayed in the forest during mid-September, so you can see some of the changing colors. But also with the changing colors came the change in temperature, and I was moving south. Ottawa National Forest is divided into 5 separate districts: Iron River, Keaton, Ontonagon, Watersmeet, and the headquarters is located in Ironwood. The forest grew with several purchases from 1931 to 1937 and now has approximately 1.5 million acres. I can say there's some amazing country up there, so come for a visit. Remember, life is short. Take more detours. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. And thanks for watching.